Hello guys. Have you ever wondered how you can lock a cell, a column, a row, or an entire sheet? Are you sharing your workbook with a colleague and you don't want him or her to work on the fields that you're responsible for? Are you even afraid that a certain formatting or formula get messed up? Well, this video will teach you how to lock a cell, a column, a row, or a sheet in few easy steps. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so the first thing that you should take into consideration and understand that Excel takes into consideration by default that whenever anyone wants to lock anything on Excel, they want to lock the whole sheet. So for us to be able to lock a cell or a row or a column, we need to remove that default option. And we do that by the following. First of all, you have to select everything on the sheet. So basically, if you're working on a sheet and you have the selection outside of the data, outside of the table or the data that you're working on, you just press Control and A. If you have it inside, you need to press Control and A 3 times or twice. It depends on the type of the table that you're using. Then we go into Control and 1, which is the formatting of the cells. We move into Protection and we remove the tick so that we don't want to have everything locked, and press OK. Now the default option is removed. If we want to protect a whole column, we can do that by selecting column F, and then we go into Format Cells, and we say that, please Excel, could you lock this column for me? Now after I do that, the column is not yet locked. I need to protect it for this column to be locked. To do so, I go to Review, then I press Protect Sheet. I type in any password, 123. I confirm, 123. And now I can do or edit anything in the table except for the column for the salary. For example, I can edit this to 2015, but I cannot change anything here because Microsoft Excel will give me a pop-up saying that this specific range of data is protected and I might need a password in order for me to be able to edit anything. Now, if I want to remove that, I simply go to Review, Unprotect Sheet, type in the password, and it will be unprotected. Now, if I want to lock a row, I can use the same methodology, guys. I can use the same methodology. However, keep in mind that, first of all, you need to select everything. You can do that by Control and A, or you can put the mouse over here and press. So now we're going to be working with the mouse. Then we need to go to Format Cells. I can do that by clicking on this alignment settings, go to Protection. I can remove the locked. So I take it back to please unlock everything. Now, if I want to protect a whole row, I can do that by selecting, let's say, row 5, right click, Format Cells, Protection. I want to lock this one. Now, step 1 is done. Step 2, go to Review and protect the sheet. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I can change everything here, but I cannot change anything here. Now, if I want to protect a certain cell or lock a certain cell, again, I have to select everything, take it back to default. First, I have to remove the protection. So unprotect. Now, I select everything by clicking on this corner. I go to Home, click here, Protect, remove the locked, press OK. Now, if I want to protect Jack's salary, I select this cell, I press here, Protection, locked, OK. Review, protect cell, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 again. And now this cell is protected. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, please drop them below in the comments section. If not, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for upcoming new videos. Thank you guys.